Hi there. I post every blog I publish automatically on Threads. Without lifting a finger, I'll show you how you can do the same using an RSS feed and Circleboom Publish. Let's get started. First, log into Circleboom Publish. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and find the RSS feed section. Click Connect a new RSS feed. Now, select your Threads account from the list. Next, paste your RSS feed URL into the field. If you want, you can also add custom intro or outro text using the begin with or end with fields. Then, set how often Circleboom should check the RSS feed, every day, every hour, or even every 5 minutes. You can also choose how many posts should be shared each time. Finally, decide what content to include in the post: title, body, images, or all of the above. And that's it. Your blog or any RSS feed is now fully connected to Threads, and new posts will be shared automatically, right on schedule. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more social media tips, tricks, and automation guides. Happy Circlebooming!